Hi everyone, this in this video we will see what is this floor icon over here on the left hand side. So this is basically the home page, or you can say the floor map of the entire event, which has got these pointers of stage, VIP booths, help desk, handouts, lounge, lobby, and these are the sponsors icon. So anybody can move to the lounge section using this floor map as well. Also, if you see, for the admins, they have this kind of dashboard over here. If you go to settings, you can even change the floor view mode. So currently we have 3D layout. I can convert it into a 3D block. Now when I move back to my floor map, it will be coming in the form of the blocks. So as you can see, the admins can change the layout into block, or it's up to you if you want to use the block one or the layout one. So this block layout of your floor map will help you drag and drop and to kind of set your own kind of design which you want. So maybe if you want, you can put all your sponsors on the top for more branding. You can keep all your sessions on top, or if you want to design it in a certain manner, it's up to you. All the audience or anybody on the platform can use these enter rooms options as well to sort of enter into any session or enter into any booth. In case you want, you can go back to your settings, or you can change the name of this floor icon as well. If you move to floor rename option, so you can maybe rename it to entrance, or you can give a customized name as well. So I hope this quick video on this floor map icon is helpful. Thank you.